So right now we're just swimming in stock. We're building over 20 inches, 16 inches. We got more high tones that are just back from powder, ready to assemble. There's 16s and drop saws. We're getting ready to build some Model 6s. That's like 400 of them right there. More 16s. VW machines, more high tones. Some 20s here. More 14 drops. More high tones, 24s, Model 6s. And then over here on this side, and a bunch of Model 6s, and we got big saws down on this end. We're waiting on carriages to come back from powder. And we're 12-inch 18s. We're getting ready to crate these 18s. We're doing our final test, cleaning, and then they'll be crating. We have more 24s in the back. A couple stainless steels that we're building. Model 14s that are doing final assembly on the belt guards and then set up for test. And over on this side, we have cabin units. And then the heads are done on the forming machines. We're ready to test. We got to put arbors together and they go in today. And then there's a small batch of 220 stuff over here for Australia.